Welcome to Altha Health, and congratulations on taking the first step to freedom from tension and pain. The range is designed to target the three most important muscle groups in your upper body. Tension in the upper trapezius, neck, and pectoralis minor are responsible for poor posture, pain, and mental stress. Hold each spot for 90 seconds or more for a full release. Start by releasing your upper trapezius muscle. This muscle is the largest of the three and can impact success in the other two areas. Lying on the ground allows you to fully relax, and using a yoga block against a wall allows you to have the space for your head and target the upper trapezius with downward pressure. Next, use the range on the muscles connecting your head to your neck. The shape of the range allows you to target each muscle in your neck individually. Experiment with all three sets of tips at both angles to find which muscle in your neck needs the most attention. Then, you can continue to explore each segment down your spine. Using the range on your pectoralis minor helps you attain good posture and maintain sustained relaxation of your neck and upper trapezius. Leaning into your pectoralis minor against a wall or a yoga block will put pressure on this muscle, releases tension, and restore alignment to your shoulders. After releasing all three areas, enjoy the restorative position and allow your brain to get used to this released and aligned version of you. For a complete solution, work with the mark, a hip hook, prior to working on your neck and shoulder area. Tension and twisting in the hips directly affects the alignment of the shoulder and the neck. Now that your neck and shoulders are relaxed and aligned, you're ready for what's next. The time for stretching, adjustments, or strengthening techniques is after muscles are released. Release tension, eliminate pain, and return your body to its original state.